Okay, so remember that Typeless thing I showed you last week on desktop? Well, I've been using it on my phone for the past couple days, and honestly, this might be even more game-changing than the desktop version. Because here's the thing, we're already on our phones constantly, right? Responding to messages, taking notes, sending emails, and typing on these tiny keyboards is objectively terrible. We all just accept it, but with Typeless on mobile, I've basically stopped typing on my phone entirely, and it's wild how much faster and easier everything becomes. Let me show you what I mean. So the same core features from desktop version work on mobile. Filler word removal, auto editing when you change your mind, all of that. But on the phone, it hits different because you're already in this super casual on the go mode. Watch this. I'm gonna respond to a text message from a friend asking about weekend plans. Hey, yeah, I'm totally down Saturday. I was thinking we should grab lunch around 11 or noon, maybe that place we went to last month. Oh wait, what was it called? Whatever, you know the one I'm talking about, and then maybe hit up that new art exhibit if you're into it. Let me know what works for you. And look at that. It cleaned up my rambling, removed the filler words, and structured it perfectly. I didn't have to backspace, didn't have to fight with autocorrect, didn't have to slowly tap every word, just spoke naturally like I was talking to them in person, and Typeless made it sound good. Alright, so let's break down the mobile features. First up, basic dictation, but way better than what your phone already has. The dictation works everywhere. Texts, emails, notes, social media, literally any app with the text field. So I'm gonna write a quick post about the video I'm working on. Just finished filming the mobile version of my Typeless review, and honestly, I think I prefer using it on my phone. The freedom of not having to look down at a keyboard while you compose your thoughts is kind of incredible. Anyways, video drops next week. Perfect, proper punctuation, it reads naturally, ready to post, and now it's the same thing with emails as well. I'm gonna reply to a work email really quick. Check this out. Hi Jennifer, thanks for the update on the project timeline. I reviewed the documents you sent and everything looks good. Just wanted to confirm we're still on track for the March 25th deadline. Also, could you send over the final budget breakdown when you get a chance? Thanks so much. Clean, professional, well-formatted email. Took me like 15 seconds. Here's where mobile gets really interesting. Speak to edit. So let's say I dictated this message earlier, but now I want to change it. Instead of tapping around trying to edit on this tiny screen, I just select the text and tell it what I want. Make this more casual and friendly. Instantly rewritten. Let's say this paragraph is too long for a text message. Make this shorter, like one sentence. That's insane. I could edit entire paragraphs with voice commands while walking, while on the subway, while I'm anywhere. Or here's a super practical one. Someone sends me a long message and I need to write a thoughtful reply. I could select their message and just say, write a friendly reply agreeing to meet up Thursday. And it generates a perfectly appropriate response. I could tweak it if I want or just send it as is. This is like having an AI writing assistant built directly into your keyboard, but way more intuitive. Alright, so you know how I showed you whisper mode on desktop? On mobile, this is even more useful. Because think about it, you're on a train, you're in a waiting room, you're in a coffee shop. You can't just start talking really loud into your phone like a lunatic. But with whisper mode, you could hold your phone up like you're on a call and just whisper into it. Remind me to follow up with Sarah about the project deadline. Also need to pick up groceries on the way home. I'm out of water, cereal, tofu, and whatever else we're out of. See that? It got every word. And for anyone watching, it just looks like I'm on a phone call. I've been using this constantly for capturing quick thoughts, to-do items, ideas for videos. Anywhere I can't speak out loud, I just whisper into my phone and Typeless handles it. And now the last feature I want to show you is real-time translation. And this one is generally powerful on mobile. So in settings, you set up your target languages. Let's say I want English to Spanish. Now when I dictate, I can speak in English and it translates to Spanish in real time. Hi Maria, I wanted to confirm our meeting tomorrow at 3 p.m. Please let me know if that time still works for you. Just like that, native Spanish properly formatted, ready to send. Or if someone sends me a message in another language, I could select it, you speak to edit, and just say, translate this to English. Instant translation. This is huge if you're working with international clients, if you're traveling, or if you have family or friends who speak other languages. It's like having Google Translate built directly into your keyboard, but way smoother. Here's how this actually changes your workflow. I'm gonna walk through a real example from this morning. I woke up, checked my phone, saw a few emails I needed to respond to. And normally I'd either ignore them until I got to my computer or I'd slowly thumb type out responses and inevitably make typos. Instead, I just dictated responses while I was making coffee. Took like 2 minutes total, all 3 emails sent, perfectly formatted, 0 typos. Then I got a text from a client asking about project timelines. I used Speak to Edit to draft a professional response based on their question. Done in 30 seconds. I had an idea for this video while I was in the shower, so I whispered a quick note into my phone. Typeless transcribed it perfectly, and now it's in my notes, ready for scripting. All of this used to be friction. Now, it's just seamless. Look, I honestly think this is how we should have been interacting with our phones all along. Typing on glass is objectively bad. We just got used to it. But speaking is natural. It's fast, and with Typeless is actually better than typing because you're not fighting with autocorrect or trying to hit tiny keys. If you watched the first video and downloaded Typeless for your computer, definitely grab the mobile app too. It's available on both iOS and Android now. Link is in the description. And honestly, the combo of having it on desktop and mobile, that's when it really clicks. You can capture thoughts anywhere, respond to anything instantly, and never feel like you're fighting with your tools. The next video, I'm gonna show you some advanced workflows and how I'm using this across my entire content creation process. But for now, try the mobile app. I think you're gonna be surprised on how much it changes things. All right, I'm gonna go dictate some more messages. Make sure to like and subscribe. Like always, I'll see you guys in the next one.